Hi everyone, welcome to the first chapter of this course. In this chapter, we are going to be talking about the differences between UI and UX design. We are also going to be talking about the course structure so you'll be able to understand how the course is being organized and you'll be able to follow the course properly. And last but not the least, we are going to be talking about the tools and requirements you will need to follow this course properly and very well. All right, without wasting much of our time, we'll be going straight to look at the differences between UI and UX design. What is the difference between UI, which stands for user interface, and UX, which stands for user experience? Although both elements are crucial to a product and work closely together, their roles are quite different. UX design is a more technical and analytical field. However, UI design refers to graphics design with more complex responsibilities. If you consider a product like a car, the chassis is the code, which gives it a clear structure. The other parts, such as doors, fuel filter, etc., represent the UX design, which lets the car function properly. On the other hand, UI design represents the appearance of the car, its sensors, etc. From the image on the right, we will notice that the UX, which stands for user experience, describes how a product should work, while a UI, which is the user interface, describes how a product should look. In the next video, we shall be talking about the course structure, so you'll be able to understand how this course has been set out and what you need to know to be able to follow this course properly. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.